The Fed holds as Middle East tensions rise. How does that affect mortgage rates? All that and more on your weekly mortgage rate update. Interest rates improved to their lowest level in almost 2 months over the past 7 days, with the mortgage-backed security market trading up 30 basis points. Here's going to be your average interest rates across the country according to Mortgage News Daily. Currently, you're seeing conventional average rates around that 6.8% figure and FHA and VA rates around that 6.4% figure. The Fed met last week, and as expected, the Fed kept the federal funds rate unchanged. Now, the Fed does release what we call a dot plot, and it's basically where they expect interest rates to go through 2025, 2026, and 2027. The average of the Fed members still see 2 more Fed rate cuts this year, but keep in mind that the federal funds rate does not directly correlate to mortgage rates, though the ramifications of what they do to the economy can affect interest rates. Now, with all the tension in the Middle East over the past 2 weeks, it's an important question to ask. What does that mean for the economy? What does that mean for interest rates? And while nobody has a crystal ball, I can tell you what typically happens. When you see uneasiness or uncertainty in the world, typically investors go towards safer investments. And usually that's going to be some form of U.S. securities and bonds. And what I can tell you is when people move into these investments, that's usually going to help interest rates. That is your weekly mortgage interest rate update. Don't forget to call your favorite Green Home Loans loan officer for all your mortgage needs. We're Green Home Loans. We do mortgages better.